Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Engage Pickleball Aero Raw Toray T700 Pickleball Paddle. Take your skills to the next level with Engage Pickleball's Aero Raw Toray T700 paddle. Its elongated shape makes it easier to reach shots we might otherwise miss, and it allows us to work on our spin without losing too much control of the ball. Overall, it feels very stable, and we appreciate the precision assistance of the extended sweet spot. The ultra-comfortable, non-slip grip becomes one with our hand, supporting several hours of play and practice without any wrist or arm soreness. This paddle's open throat design keeps it lightweight and fast, making it easy to keep playing for extended periods of time. We can move through our full range of motion without any elbow or shoulder strain. Plus, it handles impact very well, too, showing no signs of wear and tear after intense repeated use. Key specs: core materials, polymer, surface materials, carbon fiber, weight, 7.8 to 8.2 ounces, shape, elongated, paddle length, 16.5 inches, paddle width, 7.5 inches, handle length, 5.5 inches, grip circumference, 4.25 inches, our overall rating, 5 out of 5. Number 2. Selkirk Amped Pro Air Invikta Pickleball Paddle. Known for its high-performance features, Selkirk's Amped Pro Air Invikta Pickleball Paddle is a favorite among experienced players due to its solid feel and precision. The paddle generates plenty of power, especially for serves, making it easy to hit strong shots. It feels comfortable and well-balanced in our hands, allowing us to switch smoothly between forehand and backhand positions. The paddle offers great control and easy spin generation, too. During testing, we appreciated that the paddle's comfortable grip maintained its secure feel even when our hands were sweaty after hours of play. Its balanced weight also helped us avoid elbow strain. It holds up well against impact with the ball. After extended use, we didn't notice any dents, cracks, or other signs of damage. Thanks to its durable construction and high-quality materials, it feels like it will last for a long time. Key specs: core materials, honeycomb polymer, surface materials, fiberglass, weight, 7.8 to 8.2 ounces, shape, elongated, paddle length, 15.75 inches, paddle width, 8 inches, handle length, 5.25 inches, grip circumference, 4.25 inches, our overall rating, 5 out of 5. Number 3. Selkirk SLK Latitude Max Pickleball Paddle. Beginners who feel ready to step up their game should give Selkirk's SLK Latitude Max paddle a try. With a focus on comfort and ease of use, this paddle offers a solid mix of power and control for those still developing their skills. During testing, its elongated face felt forgiving when our shots were less than precise. And thanks to some raised texture along the handle, the comfortable grip remained secure even when our hands got sweaty. This paddle packs plenty of power, so we didn't need to put too much force into our swing to get the ball over the net, a potential perk for newer players. Despite its heftier feel, we could still flip between our forehand and backhand positions easily and enjoy our full range of motion without unwanted strain or soreness. Plus, it's sturdy and stable, further supporting control in our game. The paddle is clearly high quality and built to last, showing no signs of wear and tear as we played with it. Key specs: core materials, honeycomb polymer, surface materials, graphite, weight, 7.6 to 8 ounces, shape, standard, paddle length, 16 inches, paddle width, 7.85 inches, handle length, 4.85 inches, grip circumference, 4.25 inches, our overall rating, 4.7/5. Number 4. Vatic Pro PRISM V7 Pickleball Paddle. Vatic Pro's PRISM V7 paddle proves that affordable carbon fiber pickleball paddles do exist. We found that this paddle generates good power, especially for serves, boosting our confidence when hitting strong shots. The rough surface texture provides a nice grip on the ball, helping with both control and precision. It also enhances spin, making it easier to add rotation to our shots. The paddle feels lightweight and balanced, supporting our full range of motion and making it easy to switch between forehand and backhand positions. We also appreciate that the handle comes in 2 lengths, the longer of which gives us better leverage and control with our two-handed backhands. Meanwhile, the comfortable grip works well for a range of hand sizes. Overall, the paddle feels sturdy and seems like it will hold up well for a long time. Key specs. Core materials: polymer, performance honeycomb, surface materials, carbon fiber, weight, 8.1 to 8.5 ounces, shape, standard, paddle length, 16.5 inches, paddle width, 7.5 inches, handle length, 5.3 or 5.6 inches, grip circumference, 4.13 inches, our overall rating, 4.9/5. Number 5. Pickleball Apes Pro Line Energy Pickleball Paddle. If better spin generation is what you're after, reach for Pickleball Apes Pro Line Energy Paddle. During testing, we found that its carbon fiber surface texture and elongated design did an excellent job of supporting topspin and powerful serves. The longer handle not only suits a wide range of hand sizes, but also provides additional maneuverability, making for quick and clean transitions between our forehand and backhand. With this paddle, we maintained our range of motion and never experienced any soreness, aches, or pains in our wrists or arms, no matter how long we played. Its balanced weight eliminated potential elbow strain as well. Overall, the paddle is well built and really durable, looking like new, even after hours of aggressive play. Key specs. Core materials: honeycomb polymer, surface materials, carbon fiber, weight, 8 to 8.2 ounces, shape, elongated, paddle length, 17 inches, paddle width, 7 inches, handle length, 6.25 inches, grip circumference, 4.25 inches, our overall rating, 4.6/5.